how to make text move in CapCut PC. So if you want to make a text move in CapCut PC, then first you just need to open up your CapCut and you need to choose a video or something, any interface. Once you've chosen interface, now you need to go for the text, which is on the upper left. Click on the text and choose a default text. Once you've chosen the text, you need to enter something under that text. So for example, I'll be writing hello. Once you've written that, now what you need to do is you need to add some keyframes. So first select the starting point of that text, and then you need to go for the upper right, and here you need to go for the keyframe option, which is here on the bottom right of this interface. Click on add keyframe, and then you need to add the keyframe, and then go for the last of that video, and here again go for add keyframe. And once you've added the keyframe, now you need to click on the keyframe and then you need to enlarge that. Once you've added the keyframes, now you can play the video, and here you can see that your text will move. So make sure to add the keyframe from the transform option. So make sure to add the keyframe under the transform and not from the color option. So you just need to simply go for a transform and add the keyframe. Once you've added the keyframes, now here you will have this kind of interface where your text will move. So that's how you can make a text move in CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.